In today's video, I show you how to change your password in Zoho Books. A quick and important step to keep your financial data secure and your account protected. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account from your web browser. Once inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. This will take you to your account management page. On the left-hand sidebar, click Security. Here, under the Password section, you'll find the option to change password. Click it and you'll be asked to enter your current password first to confirm your identity. Now, create your new password. Make sure it's strong. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Re-enter it in the Confirm Password field to avoid typos. Once you're confident, click Change Password to finalize the update. You'll receive a confirmation message letting you know your password has been successfully updated. The next time you log in, you'll use this new password, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay secure with more Zoho Books tutorials.